This is a Samsung 24-inch LED TV. The problem is TV has sound, but there is no display. Here is the model number for reference. Let's open it up and see what has happened. As you can see, the TV power is on, but the backlight is not glowing. Now, let's figure out why the backlight is not working. We'll start with the power supply board. First, check the backlight input voltage. 16 volts. It is normal. Next, check the backlight output boost voltage. Boost voltage is fluctuating, which is abnormal. Then check the gate voltage of this MOSFET. 1.5 volts is present. This confirms that the backlight driver IC is correctly sending a PWM signal to the MOSFET. But the MOSFET is not amplifying the PWM signal as it should. This is why the boost voltage is unstable. So, the MOSFET is faulty. Let's replace this MOSFET and find out if that fixes the problem. After replacing the MOSFET, check again input voltage. 16 volts. It is normal. Next, boost voltage. It's stable now. That confirms the faulty MOSFET was causing the issue. Reassemble the power supply and see if the TV's backlight works. Yes, the backlight is glowing perfectly now. Problem solved. Let's reassemble the TV and check the display. The TV is working perfectly as before. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe to this channel. Watch this. See you soon.